Onions, belonging to the genus Allium, are one of the oldest cultivated vegetables in the world. They have a deep historical connection to various ancient civilizations, having been used both for culinary and medicinal purposes for thousands of years. The origins of the onion trace back to Central Asia, particularly the regions that are now modern-day Iran and Pakistan, though their cultivation spread quickly across the globe. Historical records suggest that onions were domesticated as early as 5,000 years ago, making them a staple in ancient cultures such as those in Egypt, Mesopotamia, and Greece. In ancient Egypt, onions were so highly regarded that they were often placed in the tombs of pharaohs, symbolizing eternity due to their layers representing the concept of immortality. Onions were valued for their ability to grow in a variety of climates and soils, which contributed to their widespread cultivation. As civilizations progressed, onions became a central part of the diet in many parts of the world. In ancient Greece and Rome, onions were used not only for food but also for their medicinal properties. They were believed to promote good health and were frequently used to treat ailments such as headaches, coughs, and indigestion. The Greek physician Hippocrates, often referred to as the father of medicine, documented the healing properties of onions in his writings. The Romans, too, had a great appreciation for onions and used them in a variety of ways, from cooking to medicinal treatments. The popularity of onions continued to grow throughout the Middle Ages, where they were considered a reliable food source for both the rich and poor. They were often one of the first crops to be harvested, providing sustenance after long winters, and they became a crucial part of European cuisine. The global distribution of onions was furthered by the Age of Exploration, as trade routes between Europe, Asia, and the Americas helped spread onions to new regions. By the 16th century, onions had made their way to the Americas, where they were embraced by indigenous peoples and European settlers alike. In the United States, onions became an integral part of the diet, with various varieties developed and adapted to different climates. Today, onions are grown worldwide, with major production areas in countries like China, India, and the United States, and they remain one of the most widely consumed vegetables globally. In terms of their culinary uses, onions are incredibly versatile. They form the base for countless dishes across many cultures, from the French onion soup to Indian curries, Mediterranean salads, and Latin American salsas. The flavor of an onion can range from sharp and pungent to mild and sweet, depending on the variety and how it is prepared. When raw, onions have a strong, pungent flavor that can cause a burning sensation when chopped, a result of sulfur compounds released by the cells of the onion. Cooking onions, however, transforms their flavor, making them milder and sweeter. Caramelized onions, for example, are prized for their deep, rich flavor, which comes from slow cooking that breaks down the sugars in the onion. Onions can be sautéed, fried, roasted, pickled, or used as a key ingredient in soups, sauces, and stews. Their ability to complement a wide variety of ingredients makes them indispensable in kitchens around the world. Beyond the kitchen, onions have been used in various traditional medicines and natural remedies for centuries. The health benefits of onions are vast and include their ability to support heart health, boost immune function, and provide anti-inflammatory properties. Onions are rich in vitamins, particularly vitamin C, and contain antioxidants that help protect the body from free radicals. Studies have shown that consuming onions may help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, reduce the risk of heart disease, and improve digestion. Additionally, onions contain compounds that have been shown to have antibacterial and antiviral properties, making them useful in preventing and treating infections. In some cultures, onion juice is used as a remedy for colds, coughs, and even hair loss, with varying degrees of scientific support for these claims. The skin of onions, often discarded, is also packed with antioxidants and can be used to make natural dyes or as a medicinal tea in some traditional practices. In modern agriculture, onions continue to be an essential crop. Advances in farming techniques have made it possible to grow onions in a wide range of climates, from temperate regions to arid areas. Onions are typically grown from seeds or sets, small onion bulbs, with farmers carefully selecting varieties that will thrive in their particular growing conditions. There are several types of onions, each with unique characteristics, including yellow, red, and white onions, as well as specialty varieties like shallots, leeks, and green onions. Yellow onions are the most commonly grown and used variety, known for their balanced flavor and versatility in cooking. Red onions are often used raw in salads and salsas due to their milder flavor and vibrant color, while white onions are popular in Mexican and Tex-Mex dishes. Leeks and shallots, members of the onion family, are prized for their more delicate and mild flavor, used in gourmet dishes and fine dining. In addition to their culinary and medicinal uses, onions play a significant role in the economy. They are a major agricultural export for several countries, and their cultivation provides employment to millions of people worldwide. The global onion market is vast, with onions being sold fresh, dried, or in processed forms such as onion powder, flakes, or as part of prepared foods. The production of onions supports a complex supply chain, from farm workers and harvesters to distributors and retailers. The versatility of onions, both in the kitchen and beyond, ensures their continued importance in both cultural and economic contexts. As the world continues to grapple with challenges such as climate change and food security, onions remain a resilient and essential crop, able to thrive in diverse conditions and provide nourishment to populations worldwide. Onions have proven to be an enduring part of human history, transcending borders and cultures. Their journey from the ancient civilizations of the Near East to modern global kitchens illustrates their importance as both a food and a tool for health. Whether enhancing the flavor of a dish or contributing to the well-being of individuals, onions have earned their place as one of the most versatile and valuable crops in human history. As their uses continue to evolve, onions remain a testament to the enduring relationship between people and the plants they cultivate.